Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a detailed comparison between Figma and Canva so you can decide which platform is better for your creative workflow. Even though both tools are used for design, they're actually built for very different types of users and projects. Figma is mainly focused on professional interface and product design, while Canva is designed for quick and simple content creation for everyday users, marketers, students, and businesses. Let's start with ease of use. Canva is definitely the simpler platform for beginners. The interface is extremely easy to understand, and you can create social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, resumes, posters, and marketing graphics within minutes. Canva also includes thousands of ready-made templates, drag-and-drop tools, stock images, icons, and text styles that help non-designers create professional-looking content quickly without learning advanced design skills. Figma, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve because it focuses more on UI and UX design. It gives users advanced control over layouts, components, grids, prototyping, and responsive design systems. If you're designing mobile apps, websites, dashboards, or interactive products, Figma is much more powerful and flexible compared to Canva. It's built for precision, collaboration, and scalable product design rather than simple visual content. When it comes to collaboration, both platforms perform very well, but Figma takes the lead for professional teams. Multiple designers and developers can work together in real time on the same file, leave comments, inspect design details, and manage design systems efficiently. Canva also supports collaboration, especially for marketing teams and classrooms, but it's more focused on content editing rather than technical product design workflows. Now let's talk about features. Canva includes built-in AI tools, video editing, presentation creation, animation effects, and easy export options for social media content. It's excellent for fast productivity and visual communication. Figma focuses more on vector editing, prototyping, auto layout, reusable components, and developer handoff tools. These features are essential for app and website design projects where consistency and user experience matter more. Performance also depends on your needs. Canva feels faster for simple tasks because everything is template-based and optimized for quick editing. Figma performs better for structured design systems and larger collaborative projects, although complex files may require stronger hardware or stable internet access. Both tools are cloud-based, which means your projects stay synced online automatically. Pricing is another important factor. Canva's free version is generous and works well for casual users. The Pro plan unlocks premium templates, assets, and AI features at an affordable price. Figma also has a strong free plan, but professional teams often need paid plans for advanced collaboration, team libraries, and enterprise features. So, Canva is the better option for quick content creation, branding materials, social media graphics, and beginner-friendly design work. Figma is the better option for professional UI and UX design, interactive prototypes, and collaborative product development. The best platform really depends on your goals, your experience level, and the type of projects you create most often every single day online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.